I thought I was going to be a businessman my entire life. Then about 20 years ago, I started having a series of epiphanies and lucid dreams, and that changed everything. So in one of the lucid dreams, it was literally written on stone, heal others and you will heal yourself. But first you must learn. So that's what I've been doing for 20 years. And I've been fortunate to have some of the world's best teachers. That included Dr. David R. Hawkins, Dr. William Tiller, whose work on intention is probably 1,000 years ahead of the time. Larry Steele, who was the founder of Biocomputer Operating System, and Ron Young, a spiritual healer who helps even those that are given no hope to reverse their condition. So I've been not only learning, but I've been sharing and teaching everything I've learned. I've also had my own inner work and my own realizations that make up most of this work. And what I do is I just share it with anybody that wants to learn. And I've taught medical doctors, naturopathic doctors, pharmacists, housewives, mothers, fathers, because everybody's into healing. I mean, we all have sick friends and loved ones and children, and everybody wants to learn how to heal. So what I've done is I've assembled all the critical points. This is what's critical on healing. So a lot of times people will say, hey, I want to heal, so what do I do? This is where you start. You start with this first course, Samyana 101, which is about self-healing and inner strength training. When I sat down with myself and said, what is it about this state that is so resilient? It was inner strength. So that's a big part of this first course, inner strength training. And we have to train for this, and it's a progressive thing. And there's no end to it. So the more we train, the more inner strength becomes available. So this first course is very simple to do. It can be done in 90 days. All you do is you view a 15 or 20-minute video a week, and then you do a 10-minute contemplative lesson a day for 90 days, and that's it. Thank you.